I think it's protecting its chicks. But I'm trying to see if there's anything under there, because I can't hear anything. Except whatever's over there. I'll see right now. Hold on. We are back, and don't want to hurt it. Hello? Anything under you? There's 1 eggy, 2 eggs. Alright, I'll let you know if I see anything. So I didn't find anything, but I'm over here by the goats and the chickens, and they all wanted water. And I want to pet them, but they don't let me. Here's Fluffy Chicken. And then here's Legolas. If you can guess what her babies are. Frodo. And Sam. Samwise Gamgee. Frodo Baggins. And Legolas. Comment what that's from down below. And then there's Gimli. Gimli the goat. None of his chickens have names. Except Elmo. What? Wait, what? Are you like slurping the water? Okay, I didn't know that's how they drink. That's pretty cool. Subscribe.